Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be finishing off using up the rest of the beautiful Neutral Vibes kit in my daily journaling pages. This is the TPC Nation hybrid planner. We're going to be using Sammy Lynn's planner from her shop as well. We're going to be using some date covers, some sleep-in stickers, some YouTube stickers, and also, not shown in the video right now, we're going to be using some Instagram stickers and also her trash stickers. If you use Eileen 15, you'll get 15% off. And my October freebie each month, since I'm part of the design team right now, I know that each month Sammy Lynn changes up the gorgeous freebies. And every month, I'm just blown away by her freebies. They're so fun and cute. Anyway guys, if in case I didn't mention, the no skill sticker is from her shop. Not from her shop that I'm using is the Scallop boxes, which is from Savannah Paper Co. Sorry, and also the school bus from Planner Frenzy. So this is kind of like a pre-plan, and later on when I'm finished with the pages, I will share with you and do kind of like a pre-plan as well, and or maybe a little bit more depending on when I get filming done. All right, so I'm going to be using the flag stickers for this one. I'm going to be using the box, a set of the Scallop box, and I'm also going to be using the washi strip that came so separately. The kit does come with washi strips, but I used them up for my plan with me. If you watch that one, I posted it up on Monday. And the knife and fork is from the kit. I'm also thinking, okay, I had a brain fart, so I'm gonna put the knife and fork on the other side as well, and the school bus stickers for pick up and drop off. Thinking, what else do I want to use? And then I'm like, oh wait a minute, I forgot the stars and moon stickers, which are so stinking adorable. I love them. Comes like in a brighter yellow, and then like a bright like a more pale yellow. They are so cute. So that is my spread. Again, I'm using the TPC Nation Hybrid Planner. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.